Hello kids, today I'm going to show you how to use Quizlet. So you're going to click on the link in the slideshow and it will take you to these activities. Study. You need to do 15 minutes of any of these activities. First there's Learn. You can skip the flashcards button. So you may pick the one that you like. So it has grass, and then I type the word grass. Then I can either click on the answer or I can hit any key to go on, or the enter key to go on. I'm hitting the enter key. I got it correct. Hit the enter key. Now this will go on and on until it's made me practice a lot of times. So let's say I'm tired of this. I go back to set page. Next is write. I just see the word, I see the picture, and I type the answer and hit enter or hit the answer key. Back. Once I'm done with that, I go back and spell. It's simple, type what you hear. So all you have to do is hit this.
Trim.
We'll tell you the word, and then you have to type it from memory. So those are the 3 activities that I would like you to do in study. Then there's another section called play. First there's match, make everything disappear, start game. So all I do is just match the word with the word. I just drag them, or click on both. No, I drag it. Drip, drip, trip, trip, trim, trim, now, now. So I can play again, I can challenge a friend, or I can just click off of it so that I don't play again and hit the back button. Here's the game Gravity. This is the one that a lot of kids really like. Okay, so my choices are all or start. I'm going to do all. Select difficulty, easy, medium, hard. I'll just go with easy and or medium. Let's go. So the word's going to come down on the asteroid and I have to type it before it hits the planet and hit the enter key. I'm going to do this one wrong. You see it didn't disappear, but when I do it right it does disappear. So that's it. Please do 15 minutes of this every day. The most important thing is to do the spell.